Solving exponential inequalities. First example is 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 less than 81. So same process, we need to have this one as the same basis. So 81 is just equivalent to 3 raised to the power of 4 because 3 squared is 9, 3 cubed is 27, and 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So same base. Let's proceed to step 2, which is equate the two exponents, that is x plus 2 less than 4. So you have to transpose positive 2 here to the right side. That will become negative 2. Okay, so x is less than 4 minus 2. And what is 4 minus 2? That is positive 2. So to find the solution set, if I have here a number line, we all know that on the left that is negative and on the right are all positive numbers. So basically, positive 2 can be found here. So what does it mean when we say x less than 2? Kasi pasabot ng x less than 2. So meaning all values of x less than 2. So walay appeal si 2. When we say walay appeal, we will use open interval because wala dili man siya less than or equal. Okay? So open interval, that is all numbers to the left, and that is we all know from until negative infinity. So for the answer, that is negative infinity, comma 2. Meaning open interval siya diri, walay labot ang 2. Okay? So for the second one is 4 to the power of 2x plus 7 greater than or equal to 32 raised to the power of 2x minus 3. So same process, we need to come up with an exponential equation with the same base. So we can convert 4 to 2 squared, also 32 to 2 to the power of 5. So copy the exponent, this time same base, just copy 2 times 2x plus 7 greater than or equal 5 times 2x minus 3. Distribute 2 to this equation. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 7 is 14, which is greater than or equal to 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So 4x, we need to combine this one with 10x. Also combine 14 and negative 15. So transpose 10x to the left side, that will become negative 10x greater than or equal to copy negative 15, transpose positive 14, igbalhin niya sa pikas, that will become negative 14. So the difference is negative 6x equal greater than or equal to negative 29. So as you can observe here, since our goal is to find x, we need to divide both sides by negative 6. Also in here, negative 6. So cancel out x this time. As you can observe, we divide it by a negative number. So greater than or equal here will change to its opposite, which is less than or equal to, cancel out naman siya, negative divide by a negative. So 29 over 6. Again, to find the solution set or for the domain, I have here a number line, negative, positive. Basically, 29 over 6 is in here. So what does it mean with x less than or equal? Less than or equal siya, naman siya equal sa ubos. So meaning, appeal ang 29 over 6. So we will not use open interval. We will use close interval. Appeal man siya. So that is less than, so meaning to the left. No? So to the left, and that is to negative infinity. So that is now the answer. For the third example, we have to convert again 9 and 27 to an exponential equation with the same base. 9 is just 3 squared, and 27 is just 3 cubed. Next to that, they are now the same. So just copy the exponent. 2 times 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3. What are we going to do to cancel out this radical? Okay, so we can raise both sides to the power of 2 or squared, because this is basically 2x minus 1. You have here 1 half. If we have to raise it to squared, makancel ang 1 half, mawala na ni ang ato ang radical. So cancel na ni siya. This time, mabili na lang is 2 times 4 times 2x minus 1, because you have to distribute squared here, class. So this will become 2 squared, square root of 2x minus 1 squared. So cancel out na na. So 2 squared is 4 times 2x minus 1. 3 squared is 9. Distribute. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Greater than or equal to 9. Again, combine negative 4 and 9. Transpose. So 8x is greater than or equal to 9. Negative 4 will become positive 4. That is equal to 13. Divide both sides by 8. Divide by 8. So x now is greater than or equal to 13 over 8. Again, to find the solution set, negative numbers here, positive. Basically, 13 over 8 is found here. What does it mean when we say x is greater than or equal to 13 over 8? That is greater than or equal. So we will use a closed interval. When we say greater than, that is to positive infinity. So the final answer is 13 over 8 to positive infinity. Okay? And that would be all.